Hello, and welcome to episode 20 of the Locksmith documentary. Here we have Myrtle and Schmyrtle the tortoises, who are 85 years old, and apparently think they need my phone charger more than I do.
Come there, buddy. Let's see. I hope you don't bite.
Not every day you get to see a couple of tortoises just walking around the living room where you're working, but that's the life of the locksmith here. That's what we see. Here is one of the safe locks that we're working on, the internal components. You can see that the craftsmanship of these old safes is just really second to none. Very, very cool stuff to see this old antique stuff. I often refer to the old stuff, they just don't make them like they used to. These safes were built with extremely high quality parts, and they did it almost 100 years ago in some cases when they didn't actually have proper machining equipment to make everything precise and perfect. So they're quite literally works of art, in my opinion, and should be saved and conserved at all cost. Strongarm safe cracker drill bits and rigs. You are looking at literally over $2,000 worth of drill bits. Yes, these are highly customized drill bits specifically made for safe crackers and safe and vault technicians by Jeff Velosing, a family-owned business. Strongarm drill bits are what the pros use to drill open vaults, high security containers, antique cannonball safes, and so much more. You can see the length of these drill bits is what's used to penetrate these long and thick doors so that we can get our tools in, and paired with the Vac Attack drill rig really makes a winning combination. They are even featured in the movie The Italian Job, one of the most realistic safecracker movies ever made. Strongarm is also known for the Strongarm Mini Rig Pro. Check out Strongarm drills for yours today.